welcome to my channel. I'm Reed and this is Reed's Beauty Trip, and we are unboxing my Birchbox. I love Birchbox. It's my favorite sample one. I know a lot of people like Ipsy and all that and the other things, but I just love what they put into like the boxes themselves. I love that, and there's two companies that do that. There's Birchbox and then there's Glossybox, and I really do love these. Are such fun little boxes. I like to put little treats in it for the grandkids, even my kids and stuff, or friends and stuff. It's like, oh, here. And even though it's like, you know, it does say Birchbox on it and stuff like that, they're always cute boxes. Just for some of my friends, when I have stuff that I've gotten in and I just want to give them, because one, I know it's going to benefit them and I'm not going to use it, so I have no problem with sharing my goodies. Besides that, let's get into the box unboxing. This one kind of feels heavy, so I'm excited to see about it. And they always have a nice little saying on the mail thing, like in front of my name. They'll have like little things. It's like, enjoy your day, Tara. So things like that. So I think they put some full size. It's like, let's celebrate beauty in every shade. Enjoy some much deserved you time with Yuki and Shush. You time with the you that's in the mirror, exactly as you are with these products. So they did put some full size stuff, and says, the affirmation from us to you. Today I embrace what it makes me beautifully unique and beautifully me. So I do love when they do this stuff. So they did, like I said, so they had, this one is the DD Shampoo Delicate Daily Shampoo for All. And this is by Divines. And full size, this is $29. Oh, it's not full size. I'm just spacing today. But it's a nice size sample. And if you do travel or anything like it, it's really handy and stuff. I like them this way. It's got, this one has a red celery extract. So it's interesting what kind of ingredients in this. And they did put the shampoo and conditioner, so it's just a little packet for the conditioner. This shampoo is gentle enough for daily use, leaves hair feeling light and shiny, works into wet hair to create a soft lather, then rinse thoroughly. Then the conditioner, which does cost more than the shampoo, soften and untangle hair without weighing it down with this gentle conditioner. Ideal for daily use. Apply to clean, damp hair, leave on for 2 to 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. So, my hair really doesn't detangle. Doesn't need to detangle. So I know I'm going to save this for a friend who has a daughter whose hair, she's gone through like keeping it from detangling. So I have some hair products over there for them. So I am going to save that for her. Then we have the Balance Me Hyaluronic Plumping Mist. Ooh, a hyaluronic plumping mist? I know. My husband's snorting over there. This skin quenching, brightening, rejuvenating mist injects incredible hydration back into thirsty skin. I actually am very nicely balanced with moisture because I put so much stuff, moisturizing stuff on my face. But if it works, especially if I can put it on over my makeup, that would work. And it says it's 99% natural. Not organic, but natural. And there is a difference between that, guys. So just remember that. This was made in, it's from the UK. That one has my attention. Then we have Alexi Beauty Precision Blender Brush. My blender brushes for my eyes are big and fluffy. This one's just a little bit smaller. But for precision, I can see that. We'll just put that over there to try it one of these days. I was like, oh, please don't have a brush on the end. Then we have the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. This smooth moisturizing primer, so it's a primer, melts in the skin, leaves behind a brighter complexion and glow that lasts all day. So it's a brightening primer. But you know, Touch and Soul always likes that, the brightening and the moisturizing. Oh, hope it's not scented. That's the only thing about Touch and Soul. I just finished up some of their eye creams. No, it's not. Yay. That matters. I don't like scented primer. And then we have the Cella La Vie Natural Eyeshadow Palette. So it's one of those mini palettes. I have a project coming up that might be called Tiny Pan, so this has potential. Actually, I already know what I'm doing, but let's check out the Cella. Oh my gosh. It's cute. Definitely, it is definitely natural. It's a very, you know, it's got potential to do some very warm golden looks, but it also has this cooler one, so you can change up the rhythm of that. These three make more sense. This one I'm a little iffy about to mix with probably that more up there, but definitely some stuff to play with. It's a cute little quad. And they have a full-size version of this, and the full-size version of this is $45. So I assume it's more than a 4 pan. It's probably like an 8 to 10 or 12 pan. So they're giving you some of the 4 focused ones. And this is called, the mini is called Hello Beautiful, but the La Vie Neutral eyeshadow palette, I assume, like I said, it's a 10 or 12 pan. So some beautiful, the colors are Femme, Instincts, let's see, Femme, Instincts, Dynamic, Vitality. So very fun names too. I think I might have done them backwards. Yep. So that one's Femme. Flip it. That one's Vitality. That one's Instincts. That one's Dynamic. You know, I have to read below. It says which ones are the metallics. It tells you everything. But anyway, that is my Birchbox. I am really happy with it, and like I said, I just love how they put the box together and everything, and I always like that they, you know, send those little inspiration things. They always make me feel it's a kick. So, like I said, they're fun little boxes. I can put little stuff in, which actually, since I am taking stuff to a friend, hair care, because, you know, the hair doesn't, now, you know, a year ago, some of this would have really worked. But 6 months? No. I changed it. Okay. So I don't forget it. We'll put that in there and put it in my bag. But I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon.